After punching molding, the aluminum caps, collars, ferrules, shells are to be mounted onto the jigs by jigging machine. Then the jigs with the aluminum products are put onto the overhead conveying tracks and moved to the anodizing zone. The jigs with the products are taken off from the overhead conveying tracks when they arrived at the anodizing zone and immersed in a tank with acid-based electrolyte. This process will give the aluminum surface metallic luster and a durable color, looking like mirror. It is more eco-friendly to pass the more and more environmental protection policies. Before this process, the aluminum products are processed with mechanical polish, with grinding heads in a separate workshop, which was presented in another video. The finished aluminum parts are very popular in premium cosmetic packagings such as cosmetic oil, cosmetic powder, facial cream, etc. and popular with customers from America, UK, France, Netherlands, Japan, Korea, etc. Afterwards, the jigs with products are immersed in tanks for dyeing before color sealing. This process is to give the aluminum surface different colors as per client's needs. Although the colors of gold and silver are most common, other colors such as purple, blue, black, pink are available.
就这样。时间控制有多少时间？颜色去控制。哦，控制。封闭它用的是什么液？封闭粉。封闭粉。多久呢？这个不用5分钟。5分钟。那人忘了怎么办？
During the anodizing and dyeing process, we can see the water wash tanks at the interval. Water washing is to remove the remaining chemicals on the aluminums. After dyeing and sealing, jigs with products will be put in a centrifugal spin dryer to remove the water. This is the final process on anodizing zone. After the anodizing, the jigs with products will be conveyed for color comparison. Finally, the aluminum products will be taken off for 100% visual inspected before packing.